Apple cider vinegar has a long history as a natural health supplement, an all-purpose internal tonic, and even a cleaning product. You probably have a bottle of apple cider vinegar tucked away in your pantry, just waiting to be used again. But what is apple cider vinegar? What are the health benefits of apple cider vinegar? In this video, we're gonna discuss top 15 surprising benefits of apple cider vinegar. The video is gonna be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. Before starting the video, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Number 15. May aid weight loss. Some human studies have reported positive effects of apple cider vinegar on feelings of fullness and helping to lower calorie intake. This, combined with balancing blood sugar and reducing insulin levels, may explain its perceived effects on weight. For example, a study examining the impact of adding vinegar to a meal based on white bread found that people in the study experienced better satiety and reduced blood glucose and insulin responses. Number 14. Can help kill harmful bacteria. Vinegar can help kill pathogens, including bacteria. People have traditionally used vinegar for cleaning and disinfecting, treating nail fungus, lice, warts, and ear infections. Hippocrates, the father of modern medicine, used vinegar to clean wounds more than 2,000 years ago. Vinegar is also a food preservative. Studies show that it inhibits bacteria like E. coli from growing in and spoiling food. If you're looking for a natural way to preserve your food, apple cider vinegar could help. Number 13. Lowering blood sugar. One of the biggest health claims for apple cider vinegar is related to diabetes and blood sugar control. A few small studies found that consuming apple cider vinegar after a meal could lower your blood glucose sugar. This could be helpful for people with type 2 diabetes or pre-diabetes. But don't expect vinegar alone to keep your blood sugar levels in check. Apple cider vinegar might lower your glucose a little, but not enough, says Sarwani. To prevent or manage diabetes, follow a healthy diet and exercise plan. Number 12. Sore throat. One of the oldest uses of apple cider vinegar is as a remedy for sore throat, pharyngitis. There are many different recipes and methods. One basic drink recipe calls for a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, a teaspoon of honey, and a small pinch of cayenne pepper stirred in a cup of warm water. Some drink the mixture and others like to gargle it. Apple cider vinegar has germ-fighting properties. It's also said that the capsicum in hot peppers relieves pain. Number 11. It promotes healthy skin. Put away that skin cream and break out the vinegar. For years, apple cider vinegar has been used on dry skin and even eczema because the epidermis is slightly acidic, and topical apple cider vinegar is thought to help balance the natural pH and improve the protective layer, where more traditional soaps might exacerbate the skin's dryness. Apple cider vinegar also has antibacterial properties, which could possibly limit topical infections, which is why it's sometimes added to face wash or toner in a very diluted form. Number 10. Lower cholesterol levels. Two very small studies in 2018 and 2012 found that consuming apple cider vinegar could reduce total cholesterol, triglycerides, and LDL cholesterol. An animal study echoed this finding. Apple cider vinegar had similar cholesterol-reducing properties in rats, and it doesn't even appear to take that long to take effect. Most of the research took place over the course of just a few months. While more research is needed to see if these results are generalizable to a larger population, it's fair to say apple cider vinegar may be a good complementary option for those treating high cholesterol. That doesn't mean you can skip your prescribed statins. Always check with your healthcare provider about the best course of treatment and if apple cider vinegar could be right for you. Number 9. It's a food preservative. Used for centuries to preserve food items such as pickles and pig's feet, vinegar is now becoming popular as a natural preservative in processed meat and poultry items as well. Most home pickling uses 5% distilled white vinegar because it doesn't affect the color of the vegetables or fruits, but apple cider vinegar is a popular choice because of its mellow, fruity flavor. Do know, however, that it'll turn most fruits and veggies dark. Another popular use for apple cider and other vinegar is as a food wash to reduce bacteria or viruses on the surface of fruits and vegetables. Number 8. It boosts immunity. Feynman noted that about 70% of our immune system is housed in our gut. If the gut isn't functioning properly, this will have an adverse effect on our immune system, she said. Because apple cider vinegar promotes good bacteria in our gut, it can also help support immune health. Additionally, having an adequate amount of stomach acid can help protect from certain types of bacteria and viruses, said Terrell. You're more likely to be able to combat illness when your microbiome is healthy and not dysregulated or in dysbiosis. Apple cider vinegar can also help you get healthy when you're ill. Number 7. High in healthful substances. Apple cider vinegar is made via a two-step process. First, the manufacturer exposes crushed apples to yeast, which ferments the sugars and turns them into alcohol. Next, adding bacteria further ferments the alcohol, turning it into acetic acid. The main active compound in vinegar, acetic acid, gives vinegar its strong sour smell and flavor. Cider vinegar is 5 to 6% acetic acid. Organic, unfiltered apple cider vinegar also contains a substance called mother, which consists of strands of proteins, enzymes, and friendly bacteria that give the product a murky appearance. Number 6. Eliminates body odor. Some claim that apple cider vinegar may keep smelly feet and armpits in check. It may help to balance the skin's pH, acidity level, and fight bacteria that cause body odor. One method is to mix a bit of apple cider vinegar into the water, dip a baby wipe, cotton ball, or a cloth into the solution, wring out the extra liquid and wipe the bottom of the feet or the armpit. Wipes can be made ahead and stored in an airtight container. At first, you might notice a vinegar scent. It usually goes away when the vinegar dries. It's a good idea to test the apple cider vinegar solution in a small area first. Number 5. It's good for your hair. It turns out that apple cider vinegar isn't only good for what's going on inside your body, it can also benefit your hair. You may notice that apple cider vinegar can be found in some of your favorite hair and scalp products. Reslan explained that this is because the acidic properties can help improve chemically damaged hair by lowering the hair's pH level by sealing the cuticles. Additionally, it can also help break up buildup in the hair, restore shine, and prevent tangling. When it comes to the scalp, apple cider vinegar can balance the microbiome by calming down any irritation or clearing up excess sebum or flakiness, said Reslan. Number 4. Reduced heart risks. Apple cider vinegar can help reduce cholesterol and triglyceride levels, which are known to increase the risk of heart disease when they're too high. Additionally, alpha-linolenic acid, which apple cider vinegar is high in, has also been found to reduce the risk of heart disease in women. So if heart health is a concern of yours, adding apple cider vinegar to your diet may be something to reconsider. Number 3. Promotes healthy digestive response. A general belief is that digestive health is a key to overall health, and it's very important to care for it. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar helps break down complex foods like protein and aids in smooth digestion. This property of apple cider vinegar is especially beneficial to someone with lower stomach acid levels who often face trouble with digestion as food stays in their stomach longer, which could later lead to bloating. Some foods like high-fat foods, carbonated beverages, spicy foods, and heavy meals may trigger acid reflux. As a result of this, the stomach may not have enough acid. Apple cider vinegar mimics the acid level of your stomach to assist in better digestion of food. Number 2. Treat diarrhea. The pectin content in the vinegar helps treat diarrhea symptoms by forming bulk fibrous matter. The pectin also forms a protective coat that acts to soothe the lining of the colon. Some say this miracle tonic can give relief as early as 20 minutes, so 2 tablespoons of organic apple cider vinegar diluted in 8 ounces of warm water 3 times a day is the suggested remedy. Number 1. It's good for your gut. Nutritionist Jennifer Hanway said apple cider vinegar can help boost gut health and digestion in a couple of ways. Adding it to salads and raw vegetables can help break down the tough-to-digest fibers, meaning it's easier for you to digest, and ensuring you reap the benefits of all the vitamins and minerals in those foods, explained Hanway. Additionally, one important thing we want to mention is that the probiotics in fermented foods can be beneficial to the health of your microbiome. You know what the microbiome is right now. It's your gut flora that helps tremendously in your immunity. Let us know your opinion in the comment section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please click on the next video clip to watch for more health info. Thank you very much. Until then, take care, stay safe, and be happy, guys.